Hi, welcome to Shaw's Backyard Gardening. Today, I want to harvest the poor bean seeds. Look at all these poor bean seeds hanging there. These are definitely ready to harvest. This, I want to wait few more days, but this one definitely to harvest. There's some more here. You know, next year, I don't have to buy seeds anymore. You can hear the sound of seeds in the pod making pretty noise. I should use scissors to cut them, but kind of lazy to go to a house to get the scissors. This year I left this plant for seeds only. I don't pick the food from this plant. This plant only for seeds. So I have a bunch of seeds here, and the plants are still continue growing. You can see the plant. This is a poor bean plants. They keep growing all the way up to here and still flowering. Still 4 flowers. And flowers here. As soon as all the seeds here wrapped and picked, those flowers will produce new seeds again. Then I will harvest them for food. I just make sure I have plenty of seeds. They still have plenty of seeds. Now I just harvest all the seeds. For now, I just want to break the seeds here to not to say break, but yeah. So I can do like this. Just to open this. You can see this one has 1, 2, 3, has 4 seeds. This is a shorter one, has 4 seeds, isn't this small? But see, like this one, how many seeds will this one be? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one has 8 seeds inside. Earlier, I didn't want to pick this one, but this one is okay. The seeds are ready. However, after you open them, you make sure that the seeds dry out before you put them into zip bag. Since I only have few seeds here, few parts of seeds here, I just open each of them. If I have a lot, I just let them dry very well. Then just use my hand rub at the seeds, break the wrappers. Then the seeds will all fall into the container. So white seeds. See, this one is brown. So it's better to harvest, of course, when it's brown like this. Then the seeds become darker. See, this is this color. But the one from here is a white. But the seeds are ready as well. Like I said, just make sure you dry them out before you store them into the zip bag or glass jar. Oh, I think I might have more seeds ready on the other plant. Sometimes I harvest, then I don't see the seed, the beans. Didn't get to pick them, then they get old on the plants. Oh, never mind. This one is very dry, but the seeds is also white. So I guess it's two kinds of poor beans here, maybe, because they have two types of seeds, color of seeds here. I love this type of poor beans. They are flat, has a flat part, very yummy. Look, these are all seeds. It is so much easier to harvest poor beans seeds than Chinese asparagus, lettuce, or other bok choy, etc., or small. But this is so easy to harvest. Very nice. I'm happy to see all these beautiful seeds. All these seeds from these beautiful plants, only from on the bottom of this part. Yeah, this beautiful plant still growing. Have you harvested your green bean seeds before?